Ever worry about unexpected vaginal odor ruining your day? You're not alone. Many women face this daily struggle. Even with perfect hygiene, pH imbalances can happen. Hormones, stress, and lifestyle can disrupt your vaginal balance. It's frustrating when freshness doesn't last all day. You want confidence, not constant second-guessing. But finding a real solution can feel overwhelming. Most products only mask odor, not address the root. What if you could support your vaginal health from within? Introducing Positiv URO Vaginal Probiotics for women, a science-backed supplement designed for daily feminine wellness. URO targets the real cause, pH and Flora imbalance. It combines a V-Positiv probiotic blend with XOS prebiotics. These ingredients help crowd out harmful bacteria. They promote healthy vaginal pH and natural odor control. Formulated with 4 powerful probiotic strains. Delivers 5 billion CFU in every vegan capsule. Gluten-free, non-GMO, cruelty-free, just the good stuff. Clinically studied ingredients for real, noticeable results. OBGYN recommended for targeted feminine care and confidence. Take 2 capsules daily with water. Simple and effective. Some women see results in just 1 week. Full benefits develop over 2 months of use before URO, worrying about odor, discomfort, and imbalance. After URO, feeling fresh, balanced, and confident every day. No more second-guessing or quick fixes. Just daily support for your intimate health. Positiv makes proactive feminine care easy and reliable. Every batch is third-party tested for quality and safety, made in the USA to the highest standards. Perfect for busy women who want real results. No harsh chemicals, just research-backed ingredients. Vegan-friendly, so it fits your lifestyle. Stylish pink capsules, easy to remember every morning. Experience a healthier, happier you from the inside out. If you're not satisfied in 30 days, we'll help you out. Thousands of women trust URO for daily feminine wellness. It's not magic, it's science, and it works. Support your body's natural balance and confidence. Ready to feel fresh, balanced, and empowered? Try Positiv URO Vaginal Probiotics today. Your daily routine just got a whole lot easier.